Hello guys, how are you guys doing today? It's one of the favorite forex trader. It's kind of crazy out here. Yeah, we're going to be reviewing our normal today trading conference. From what we discussed earlier, trading style seems to be the best so far now. So before we re-analyzing chart discussed earlier, we'll be using very important chart. I will not focus more on more chart. I will talk on three most important charts. When I'm analyzing some chart, but first, I trade mostly gold. So I'm going to begin with about gold, then I will analyze other charts. I will analyze USD oil, yeah, other crazy pairs like GBUSD, Euro USD, GBUSD, and stuff like that. So right away, let's go straight to the screen. And before then, if you haven't subscribe to the smart subscribe button. Price pressure is squeezy out here, but we're going to be analyzing all these. Yeah, let me take this way. It's not important now. All right, yeah, guys. So this is gold. Gold. Initially, we started analyzing gold when gold was around 1942. When you can check the previous video to see the actual position where gold was. And we started analyzing the chart when gold was moving to this area, and I already shared in that video why I explained what was going to be happening here. Yeah, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just documenting these for my recall purposes. So it's not as if I am a financial advisor. So you can take it, you take it. You cannot take it, you leave it. All right. So this is what we analyzed for gold, and gold was around this area here. Gold was moving this around this area. When you arrive this area, I gave you reason why gold forward. I gave you reason, and I told you when to enter at this tree. Basically, I don't teach you candlestick patterns, trend lines here. I tell you actually what the market is going to be like. Because as a beginner, you have to learn this. I am not here to share to teach you stop loss, whatsoever kind of stuff. You ought to have known that. So, wait, basically, this is what how the trade went. But before then, I already explained around this area that the trend was moving to a very important point, and also here was a very technical important point. And for my own bias, I was viewing a very bearish impulse to the downside. Yeah, I was seeing a very important downside, which I shared with us. I checked the previous video that I shared. We have some kind of connections problems here, but so yeah, so this is how the trade has massively moved to the downside. This is how the trade has massively moved to the downside. That is fantastic. This is great. And when you enter this trade, you should have been in deep profit now, just to stick into one of things there. And at this point, some people were going to this trade and they were buying here, they were selling there. I was also watching the market because coupled with this energy momentum that was gathered here and this ones here, I knew gold was downside, and now gold has followed the impulse direction to the downside. So basically, at this point, if you were to ask me what you have to do at this point, at this particular point, I don't advise you to sell yet. The word for market confirmation because gold is a very crazy forex pair. You can move right to the downside and you can see can we hit 200. Let me just go to the weekly chart and let's see. By the way, I'll come back to gold. Gold is what everyone has to trade. Let's just see some other players for come back to gold and we'll talk more. So let me see that some analysis on Euro USD. Let me see. Steps to this currency versus GB. Make it very massive downside. Goes price range. Buy, sell. For buying some for selling up. So GBUSD is massively moving to the downside too. So for currently GBUSD is still on the downside. It's on the downside. I don't want you to go to the weekly because if you go to the weekly, I'm going to see this is a 4 hour time frame. So basically, this what GBUSD will be. Normally, it's going at this point, it can make some pullback before it follows the impulse direction. And at this point, it can break a fine. That's is what uh, where if you want to see the chart from a from a generic point of view, our connection here is kind of slow. We're going to try to release what we are going to have here. By zooming is what we are going to have. Yeah, yeah, normally technically this is what we have for GB. We see GBUSD has breakout from this particular point, as a very massive breakout, and at this particular point, the next target, if that trend line is not broken, the trend line has not broken, it's making a broker. So at this point, don't yet sell, or don't yet you can don't yet sell here. Wait for the market to pull back to this particular point and observe what it's going to do. At this particular point, it shows some massive because currency part GBUSD is down. So if this point is not broken, guys, GBUSD is down. Forget that point is not broken, GBUSD is down. So that's a very important area to be monitoring on GBUSD. So I know some guys are buying GBUSD, some people are selling GBUSD. And my advice is for you, if you are a trader, you want to make massive money trading, so what you can do is just wait for the market reaction at this particular point, whether it's going to break out at this particular point. If the market breakouts here means it's going to buy, but if there's no breakout, you can continue selling at this particular point. That's the keys for GBUSD. It's where GBUSD has the same scenario. With that, it has almost the same scenario with Euro USD. So there's kind of freaking chart of USD. Like I said, this video is mainly for my documentation. So it's not kind of financial. By this Euro USD, Euro USD, yeah, organizing GBG by Euro GBG, just don't seem to be. Yeah, we see the same scenario in Euro USD. This is Euro USD, Euro USD. To the same history at this particular point. Don't be selling Euro USD at this particular point. If this particular strong support resistance is not broken, Euro USD is going to continue to sell downward. If there is a breakout, then you should be expecting Euro USD, expecting a massive Euro USD trade upside. But at this particular point, the most important criteria for you to do wait and see the first action at this particular point. The trend line is not broken. Probably candlesticks reaction at that particular point, yeah, at this particular point, can come back like this and press again the downside. So what you have to do is living the price at this particular point to see whether if the trend line is going to be broken or not. And if trend line is not broken, fine. In the same direction, the downside. And if it's broken, we may expect some kind of bullish impulse. Last but not the least, last not Euro. We are going. Let me analyze USD oil. Yeah, last but not the least, US oil. US oil. Oil has crazy. US oil and gold have crazy person free. Make constant money, or you can out of the game. Start your trading. So US oil has been massively moving to the upside or massively moving to the downside, moving in a kind of up down, up down, up down, up down. So what I can say for US oil, so literally for US oil, this is what I have for US oil. Normally, US oil have been a very strong bullish course, and it was facing downward again, facing downward. US oil was facing downward. Normally, at this particular point, enter the trade at this guy, it was saying downward, but the trend line wasn't broken. I was expecting this zone for US oil to be accomplished, but it wasn't accomplished. All the multiple rejection candlestick that was being formed here, this W strong, it was showing a kind of end of retracement or pullback from this upward movement. So US oil is going to move further onward. possible directions. I think we can observe in possible direction if we're observing this from a generic manner or a generic perspective. Let me observe from this particular uh, put it this form. Currency pairs on. Yeah, I will take a better picture of it. Take for the daily time frame. Let's see what have time. That was a 4 hour. That was a 4 hour time. Yeah, for the daily time frame, this is what we are going to have. Let's cool down. All right. For connection. Yeah, this for the daily time frame. So for the daily time frame, the trend line are not broken for US oil. The trend is still obeyed. The trend line have been over. The trend line have been. So at this particular point, we're going to observe a very massive move on this particular point. Yeah, this on this time. So from this generic point of view, so the target of the next target, this trend line was not broken. This already was another very important trend line here. So what we'll be observing on USD oil, all things being equal, we can even see USD can target this area. The area the strike that's broken is almost reaching. It has also reached 94 and is on reach 104. So if care is not taken, Euro USD can even go as far as 5 minutes in 120. That's for Euro USD base. I mean for US oil, it's kind of crazy points. Crazy points. US oil. No, I'm not a financial advisor, I'm just documenting my skills. So they can learn the way you can learn and grow. All right, let me go back to my goal. JPY, Euro JPY before that. Yeah, those currencies, they're about to show some reverse out. They're not moving. They're like reversing dancing and you cannot even predict them. So let me go back to gold. Let me go back to gold, my friend. I'm going to take back gold and I will see. Again, you should have said much on gold. So let's finish again. Finish again on gold because gold is one to trade. Gold is one to trade. So this is a very clear picture of the daily time frame. From this daily time frame, you can see this area here, this trade area here has been broken. This area here has been broken. For instance, let me just mark out that area with the trend line so we should observe it. Mark it out with the trend line so we can. Yeah, this is a chart that I will show you. Right? This is a chart. This is a chart I will show you. Right? One can use so it's better. Remove this. I remove these for the many guys. Which this is one of my best. If you move when you losses, what about you want to move to money? So this is how gold is. I will just screen at this particular to see what I want to see. Gold is gold impulse on the downside is very massive. In fact, the momentum to the downside is very huge. It's very huge. Gold is massively moving to the downside. Massively, guys. Massively. I want to do this. All right, let's end. All right, so this is a trade on gold. But let's forget about the other history that we saw earlier. This on a daily time. So we see this M structure has been formed on this particular point with a very this on the real time on the daily time frame. The momentum in the downside is very huge. The momentum in the downside is very, very massive. In fact, very, very massive. Very, very massive. Don't put that is and where is this one coming from? Who bought it? Nobody bought it. So you have to nobody bought it. So basically this is what we are going to have. You see at a particular point, this is a very strong resistance level, but a very important candlestick for me organized candlestick that I had before. I don't know what I know of that, but that's just what this is. So this candlestick pattern that has been formed here is very, very, very important. So at this particular point, normally many traders were expecting that at this particular point at 1883, the market should reverse to the upside. But gold still has potential to go down. So what you have to do is that at this particular point, once this trend line, once the support, this strong support resistance at 1818 at 1883 is not broken down, gold is down. Once that trend line is not broken, gold is down. So gold has even broken. That's the first thing. So it sugar is going to make some pullback to the upside, and don't yet buy. Wait for confirmation at this particular point. Wait for confirmations depending on the price actions. This is a key, very key important event at each. Wait for price action. Price might retest to that particular point, as well as price may not even retest to that particular point. And if in case price fails to retest to that particular point, go down. So the network here is very poor. Network here is not just the, it's not just the good, not just good. So gold can go further, and if gold goes further, the immediate support resistance at that level is about 1800. So we're targeting 1800 for this. Before then, there will be some replacement from B1 at 1860 replacement, depending on first action. Settlement cannot also occur depending on actual action. So the best point to note here, the point at 1883, that point, particular point is broken, gold maybe go up, not broken, gold continue to go down. So if you want to appreciate this using the weekly time frame, let's use the weekly time frame and analyze this using the weekly time frame. Remember, you're getting all this for free, and if you subscribe at this particular point, it means you don't want to be I don't get these stuff well explained like this. Free of charge. So this also go on the only time frame. Initially, if you want to see this multiple, some people say gold is ranging, whatever they call it as a business. Basically, this important point here, this key levels you see here, normally gold was in a very bullish, but what changed the impulse direction was this very multiple powerful candlestick reflection. Normally, gold was if I zoom in very well, you're going to see gold in a very strong bullish impulse. Let me just zoom it. But what changed the price of gold is this repeated rejection candlesticks patterns higher time frame. So these are rejection candlestick pattern that gold is not going to go bearish. I mean, it's not going to go further go bullish, but it's reversing to the downside. And at this particular point, we are going to be observing gold keenly. See, it has made some more rejection candlesticks. We are going to observe it. People say it's going to range. Gold is ranging. Definitely, it may come down here at around 1600 and over. If not range, it's going to continue from there and continue to go down, down, down. But for me, in my picture, go change direction because of that multiple candlestick. So as a trader, what you have to do here as a trader is to be looking for buying opportunities the downside. My network here is not the best, but we are going to upgrade our network with time. By the way, I hope this important things as well, and see you in the next coming video. That was it about gold. That was it about gold. Sambuin Forex, the favorite Forex trader. Don't bother. Follow my strategy and I'm going to make money in this game. Follow my strategy and I'm going to make money. So we end here. Don't forget to follow all my trading conference. We have many trading conference sections that have already traders conference that have already opened. You can follow the trading conference section. You know, that all my analysis we have. First, we are successful. The second, we are successful. We are successful and keep being successful. What is make money? See you. Peace out.